Good morning, viewers. My name is Ciro Omega Malanga. You're welcome to Oztech. And today I'm going to be taking you guys through a very interesting uh, language called the HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Let me give an example. Let's say you have you want to design something on your website. You want to design a web page. A website is made up of three languages mainly. For you to come up with a website, you need the hypertext markup language. There is also what we call the CSS, then the JavaScript. Now, for example, take an example. You want to display a hi on your screen. Um, Now we have very many IDEs, that is the development environments. For me, I'm going to use the VS Code. VS Code is an IDE that provides coders structures to be able to code whatever they want to code. Let me take you there. If you don't have a VS Code environment, you can install it from Google. So you open your VS Code. Yes, now this is an old file. Let's start afresh. Okay. Now, if you want to open a VS Code, you first of all open a folder. Let's say personal folder called. I have opened my personal folder. It's called personal. Now, when you after opening the new folder, open your VS Code. When you open your VS Code, you see I had already opened it. That's why it is showing. But we can remove them. Now, when you open your VS Code, you can open a new file. Let me leave this file. This is old file, but let me open a new file. After opening your new VS Code, open the folder, the desktop you saved on the desktop, then create a file in that folder. Now see, my folder is called personal, and I'm going to create an HTML file. Let's name it learn.html. Yes. So this is a file. It's empty, as you can see. This is our HTML file. Now, HTML provides basically it is a language that will help the developer to be able to create something with our web page. It's like a skeleton of the web page. Let me give you an example. If you want to, it has a syntax. The syntax, I've pressed shift with this symbol is on your keyboard. Where there is one, you press shift, and that they call it what, exclamation. Then you enter. It will give you the syntax of the HTML. Now on the HTML we have the document. This doc type has an opening tag. Then it is written doc type HTML. This one shows the HTML that this is you're using HTML. This is the HTML file. Then we have the HTML language. This shows that the HTML is in the language English. However, you can change to Japanese, Chinese, whatever you want. Then we have a header. This header is simply having the details of the head of the page. Let me give an example. Now let me change this. Let me save this, Control S, and let me open this page for you. We said it's called learn. See, so this is in the beginning, this is our website. It's empty, it has nothing completely. Now HTML enables you to be able to put things on this page. Let's say you want to write Hello, welcome to my website. Let's go back to our VS Code. Hmm, Open it. Now we have the header, but we have a body. The way you write a letter and you have the address, you have the reference, then you have a body. A body is where you put in whatever you want to put in your website. Now under this body, you can put in, let's say we want a heading, open tag. We have, let's call it h1 as our heading, close tag, and let's say it is welcome. You say welcome to my website. Yes. So this is what is going to. Now in our body, let me save this and you'll see. If you go back to our web browser, then you reload. See, it's saying welcome to my website. So literally, HTML will give you contents of your website, whatever you want to have in your website. Let's say if you're maybe making a website of health or a restaurant, maybe you say welcome to my restaurant, you give it details, words. Let me show you. HTML enables you to do all that. So this is a tag. We have what we call tags in HTML, and a tag is represented by a less than sign, then you put in your element, then a greater than sign, then you close it. This is what I mean. Let me comment this. So we have what we call tags. If you're to create a tag, you have to put this, then your tag, then you close it, then it will give you a closing tag. This one, the opening, then the tag, then the closing is the beginning of the tag. Then put whatever you want to put in your tag, then you close the tag. So there's opening tag, closing tag. Let's say, yeah. So that's what we call tags. Let me comment them out. So I'm just going to take you through HTML and show you just in a short brief what it can do. So I've written my welcome. Let me write a paragraph, opening tag, paragraph P. Let's say this. So if we save it, we go back to our website, to our web browser, and I reload it. See, that's the statement. So literally, to explain in short, HTML is like the skeleton of our web designing. You need HTML to be able to write and create contents on your web page. Thank you.